Hi friends, this subtraction might seem difficult initially, but you can just write down your answer like that within 3 seconds. So let's learn with easier example. So first of all, 98, we can break this number as 90 plus 8, right? And 64, can we break it as 60 plus 4, right? Now, just subtract 90 and 60 first. So 90 take away 60, the answer is 30. Now, what we are left with? 8 and 4. So 8 take away 4. So that is 4. So now just join them. 30 plus 4 is 34. Here you don't have to write this. This is just for your understanding. Next questions we will do it mentally. 89 is 80 plus 9. 43 is 40 plus 3. Okay. So first of all, 80 take away 40 is 40. 9 take away 3 is 6. So your answer is 46. So this is the next question. 74 take away 38. Here we can see 4 is less than 8, so we can't subtract straight away like that. In previous questions we just break it as 70 plus 4. Okay, now there is a slight change that instead of 70 plus 4 we will write it as 60 plus 14, right? This is also same thing. Now rest of the things are same. 60 take away 30 is 30. 14 take away 8 is 6. So 30 plus 6 is 36, right? So whenever this number is lesser than this number, so instead of 7, we just consider it as one number less. So 6, right? So 60 take away 30 is 30 and 14 take away 8 is 6. So now question arises, does this trick works on 3-digit number as well? So the answer is yes. So here we just break 678 as 600 plus 70 plus 8. Again, you don't have to write it. I'm just writing down to explain you. 243 as 200 plus 40 plus 3. Okay, now just subtract them. 600 take away 200 is 400. 70 take away 40 is 30. 8 take away 3 is 5. So 400 plus 30 plus 5, that is equal to 435. This concept you have also learned in the previous video, addition by breaking the numbers. So this is the question that we have started with. So let's just solve. Here first step, we do 900 take away 500 is 400, right? Now let's just see 3 is less than 7. Okay, so what we do, 83 we just break it as 70 plus 30, right? So instead of 8 we will consider it as 7. Now 70 take away 60 is 10 and now this is 13, right? So 13 take away 7 is 6. So 400 plus 10 plus 6 is 416. With little bit of practice you can just write down your answer within 3 seconds. So this question is for you to practice. Just write down your answer in the comment box. So if you're looking for any help or one-to-one session, you can drop your message on this mail ID. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Bye.